I did not take part in the killing Chief Bola Ige. This is a press release on behalf of Chief Dr. Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, aka Sunday Igboho. I welcome you to this press briefing. It becomes necessary to hold this meeting because of the issues raised by the voice notes going around on social media. In the voice note released by Aare Gani Adams, the Aare Ona Kakanfo, said things that attack my character. He said a lot of wrong and bad things against me. He mentioned the names of the Nigerian president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and some other notable persons in Yoruba land. In the said note, Aare Gani Adams said I was involved in the killing of the late Chief Bola Ige, SAN. Everyone will still remember the circumstances of the death of Chief Bola Ige, who was the Minister of Justice at the time he was brutally murdered. It goes without saying that no one or evidence has ever connected me to his death until this frivolous, malicious, and highly scandalous by Aare Gani Adams. I want to categorically state that I knew nothing about the killing and the death of Chief Bola Ige. Chief Bola Ige died in Ibadan on the 23rd December 2001, and by newspaper and police report, one Frayo was charged with the murder. In that year, I was engaged in the settlement of Ife Modakeke War. I can also remember that it was the same year Aare Gani Adams was in prison in Lagos when he was charged with murder and public disturbance, arising out of intercommunion violence in Lagos in 2002, and the law firm of late Chief Gani Fawemi represented and got bail for him at the Federal High Court, Ikoyi, Lagos. I challenged Gani Adams to come forward and prove his assertions. He claimed one Tayo Ayinde gave me money at his Ikeja hotel on behalf of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is now the Nigerian president. I want to state that I did not go to any hotel in Lagos State to collect money from anyone relating to Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu since he became the president. Unlike what Gani Adams said in his voice note, I was never charged to court for murder, nor did I kill anyone to warrant my being charged to court. The voice note showed the mind that has serious malice against my personality. It is on record that despite my respect for his position as Oyo chief, the media is full of many bad things he said about me in the past. Finally, I need not to remind Omoluabi Yoruba that I have the same tribal marks on my face as the late Alaafin Adeyemi Omoba Nimi. I am not contesting Aare Gani Adams' position. Ǹjẹ́ àsìkò kò tíì tó fún ààrẹ láti dágunró? Yoruba nation needs unity at this dangerous moment, not ọ̀tẹ̀ àti ìlara. I leave this allegation to the court of public opinion, even though my initial reaction was to sue him, but I was advised to take it as ìtì ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tí kò ṣe yọ àdá sí ní àsìkò tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wà nínú ewu. Thank you for your time. Chief Dr. Sunday Adeyemo, aka Igboho. I, Olayomi Koike, spokesman for Chief Dr. Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, 17th of March, 2024.